This is Sang Silby Group Censor Studio. We bring news on the Thailand-Cambodia dispute. This is Cambodia Ozmatsu. A Thai JAS-39 Gripen fighter jet bombed a Cambodian casino, causing a fire and killing 4 Cambodians. This is Cambodia Otarmayanche. A Cambodian prison is here, and as the conflict escalated, authorities moved 1,066 inmates to the rear. This is the Prasat Takwai Temple. Built in the 11th century, it suffered significant damage from intense Thailand-Cambodia fighting. Currently, it has become the center of the battle. The Cambodian army bombarded the Thai military outpost, destroying it. The Cambodian army used the PHL-312 tube self-propelled howitzer, which is Chinese-made. Here you can see the Thai army operating near the border, but it is not a combat situation. The Thai army uses Israeli Negev machine guns. Here is the Cambodian artillery unit moving toward Telachu under Cambodian control in Thailand. The Cambodian tank unit is also heading to the border after loading tanks onto trailers. The Thai army's attack reportedly killed Cambodian Lieutenant General John Jin and Major General Yun Sung. Thai army rangers have been deployed, firing illumination rounds and launching nighttime surprise attacks on Cambodian trenches. The fighting is ongoing. Another video exists showing fallen Cambodian soldiers, but it couldn't be uploaded to YouTube. Fighting has lasted 3 days. The Thai army reports Cambodia fired about 125 rockets and 5,000 rounds at Thailand. They hit Thai bases with 33 suicide drones, causing the most damage in Ubon Ratchathani. The Thai army reported casualties for both Thai and Cambodian forces. The Thai army reported 4 dead and 68 wounded, while Cambodia reportedly lost 61 soldiers. Natafol Lerlonfayut, leader of the Thai People's Party, warned that the Thai Prime Minister's hardline stance could harm Thailand's international image and let Cambodia depict Thailand as an aggressor. The United States State Department is concerned about ongoing clashes and casualties at the Cambodia-Thailand border. United States Secretary of State Marco Rubio urged an immediate end to hostilities, civilian protection, and that both sides follow de-escalation steps from the October 26 Kuala Lumpur peace agreement. China has called on Thailand and Cambodia to show restraint and avoid escalation. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Gor Jiaku stated in Beijing that as a friend and close neighbor to Cambodia and Thailand, China hopes both sides will exercise restraint and avoid further escalation. If there is more news in the future, I will produce and upload a video. This concludes the video. Thank you.